start again. It's a redskin.
Welcome back to Scotty's Lifestyle. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen a video from me, but nonetheless today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be making for you guys some oven roast chicken. So today I'll be putting this whole chicken in the oven, and you don't have to necessarily cut open your chicken. You can put it in whole, but I like to cut mine so I can get the season to marinate all of the inside properly. So I already cleaned up my chicken and washed it with some vinegar. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this lovely oven roast chicken. So over here are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using on my chicken. So I have 1 onion, a Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, some pimento seed, some garlic, a piece of ginger, and scallion. I'm also going to be using some powder season as well. So I have some all-purpose chicken season, paprika, and onion powder. And I'm going to be pouring all of those season into a bowl and mix everything together before applying it to the chicken. And these vegetables right here, I'm going to blend them to make a rub for the chicken. So let me show you the portion of season that I'm going to be using. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons or 3 teaspoons of the all-purpose, and you can be generous with your seasoning. Same for the chicken season. I'm going to be using just 2 teaspoons of the onion powder. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of the paprika. Just going to mix that all in. I'm going to add a little bit more all-purpose. 1 more teaspoon. Also 1 more teaspoon of onion, 1 more teaspoon of chicken. Alright guys, so this should do it. And you can use any season or any spice you have that you want to use on yours, but I prefer to use just these. So you can use anything, you can improvise and create your own work of art in seasoning your chicken. Okay, so this is perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to blend up my natural season for the rub, but I'm going to tip a little bit of olive oil in there. That should do. And I'm also going to add a little water. You don't need a lot of water, just a small amount. Alright, this should be okay. You don't need more than that. And if you do need more, you can always add during the blending process. Alright guys, so this is what the rub should look like, and I did not add any more water to it, so it's perfect. I'm gonna start seasoning the chicken now, so I'm gonna pour some and some olive oil on it. What I'm also going to be doing, I'm going to make some slits on my chicken to pour some of the seasoning in between these slits. And this is something that you don't have to do, but I like to get my chicken marinated and soak up all of this lovely seasoning that I have. I'm just going to pour some seasoning in these slits as well. Now I'm going to be pouring the rub all over it. Make sure you get some on the inside. Guys, you can use your gloves so you don't get burned from the Scotch bonnet pepper. I just want to ensure that this chicken is well marinated. Now I'm going to apply the powder season. And you want to apply this season generously. Sure to get some in the slits. And guys, I'm gonna let my chicken sit for overnight, so I'm not gonna be cooking it today. I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge overnight so it can really soak up all of this lovely flavor. And guys, this is one of the easiest chicken to make. Okay guys, so this is my chicken all seasoned up. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight and then I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. And key point to note, the longer you make this sit, the better it will taste. So the longer it sits for, the more it will soak up all of this nice seasoning. So I'm gonna let mine sit for the entire night and I'm gonna cook it tomorrow around midday. Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm actually going to roast the chicken in the oven. It was marinated from overnight. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna preheat my oven and then I'm gonna put it on 425 degree. And I'm gonna cover my chicken with foil paper and put it in the oven and let it stay for 45 minutes. And then after that 45 minutes, I'm gonna give it at least 10 more minutes without the cover and put it on broil to get that golden look on the outside. So I'm just going to transfer it into a new baking tin and cover it and put it in the oven. So I'm going to time it, let it stay for 45 minutes and then I'm gonna check on it in between. Alright guys, I'm gonna check on it. Alright guys, it's coming together nice. So I'm gonna get some of the juice all over it. So now I'm gonna put it back in the oven and let it stay for another 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna cover it back, and then after that I'm gonna take off the cover and let it boil for 10 minutes, and then that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take off the cover now and then put it on boil. So I'm gonna put it on boil for 10 minutes. And guys, remember to watch it when you put it on boil. You don't want it to burn. You get that golden crust look. Alright guys, so this is the final product. This is what you want it to look like. See, we have that little brownish color on the top, and that is all we call broil. But remember, when you put it on broil, you need to watch it or else it will burn. So I'm going to just transfer this over into a plate and show it to you. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. So you want to get it like this. This is smelling so good, can't wait to dive in. So I want you guys to go ahead and try out this recipe. As I said, it's pretty easy to do. Hardest part is to prepare the chicken, and then you just put it in the oven and it will do the rest for you. Please remember to like, share, and drop a comment and tell me what you want me to make next. I'm going to be giving you guys content every week, so I won't be missing again.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.